Can I open it?
Yeah. Did you have a good party yesterday, Anne Claire?
Yes, I did.
I don't know. What is it? Oh, fun. Which movie is that?
I don't know.
What does it say, Nathan? Rescuers. That's a good movie. That's a fun movie.
What about this one? What about this one?
Yeah, what does that one say?
Wildlife Wonders. Yeah,
That
I love
sounds
my
fun.
present.
You love your present?
I really do love my present.
Grandma and Papa gave you these. Say thank you.
Thank you.